We watch aficionados frequently dismiss smartwatches as not being genuine timepieces. Regardless of our individual opinions on smartwatches and other connected devices, the Apple Watch must be mentioned in any conversation about modern wristwatches in 2022. The Apple Watch is, without a doubt, one of the most significant watches to debut within the previous decade, and it has grown to be a crucial element of this business, whether you think of it as the anti-watch or the ultimate watch. Hey guys, welcome to Krrazzy Tech. In this video, we will look at the Apple Watch Ultra. The video will be amazing, so stick to the end. Before starting the video, smash the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. All of the cutting-edge features found on the new Series 8 watches, such as the enhanced health tracking and even a car crash detection capability, are available on the new Apple Watch Ultra. The Apple Watch Ultra emphasizes durability and adventure-ready capabilities, but it's not just a Pro model that's an improved version of the standard selection. The titanium 49mm shell of the Apple Watch Ultra has a different and more practical profile than earlier Apple Watch case designs. In light of this, the Apple Watch Ultra's larger shell is intended for more than just providing a larger screen and improved visibility. In addition to having extra speakers and microphones to make it more suitable for outdoor use, the Apple Watch Ultra's shell is 100 meters deep, which makes it twice as water resistant as earlier models. The model also complies with EN 13319, an international standard for dive computers and depth gauges used for recreational diving, and it even has a depth gauge with several integrated functions that enable it to serve as a full dive computer. In addition to its underwater capabilities, the Apple Watch Ultra has a new wayfinder face, an advanced dynamic compass app, and a backtrack feature that lets users use the watch's built-in GPS to navigate back to locations like trailheads or campsites if they stray too far off course or get lost in the wilderness. This new Wayfinder face offers a customizable heads-up display with up to 8 different complications for tracking outdoor excursions. The Apple Watch Ultra has several other outdoor-oriented features in addition to being able to calculate decompression stops while diving and assisting lost hikers in finding their way home, such as an extra bright always-on retina display of 2000 nits for increased legibility in direct sunlight, and a night mode setting that turns the screen completely red and black for maximum visibility in low light. 3 different strap options are available for the new model, each of which is intended for a certain sport or outdoor activity, as the Apple Watch Ultra is designed to be a multi-purpose outdoor adventure timepiece. Built for outdoor activities such as hiking, the Alpine Loop is a single-piece nylon strap with a hook-style clasp. There is a 2-piece rubber strap called the Ocean Band, with a highly flexible horizontal tube structure for swimming, diving, and other water sports. Last but not least, the Trail Loop is a Velcro-style strap that is lightweight, flexible, and designed for running and endurance sports. Like all Apple Watch bands and straps, the 3 alternatives may be quickly switched out without needing special tools, allowing you to adapt your Apple Watch Ultra to the particular activity or setting you have planned for that day. This was all for today. Drop a like if you liked the video. Let us know what you think about the new Apple Watch Ultra in the comments below. Stay safe, and we will be right back soon with another video. For more awesome tech videos, subscribe and ring the bell, and watch other videos from our channel. See you in the next video.